Hello everyone, I greet you all. This is Correct Bet. Welcome back again to my channel. Alright, in case any of you haven't subscribed or you are new to my channel, you can subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss my new video anytime I post. This evening I'll be going to normal soccer. How you can use this, the tricks you can use on normal soccer, all these weekend matches, daily matches, weekly matches, monthly, any of the long tickets on normal soccer. How you can play them. These same tricks also apply to Zoom soccer. It also apply to Zoom soccer. So I want to show you these tricks. I will first of all start on over 2.5. How to get over 2.5 on normal soccer. Let me just give you these tricks. Let's go to Premier League first. Let me go through Premier League. This tricks works this way. You have to look for chance miss. Look for chance miss over 2.5. Chance miss 2.5. This is chance miss 2.5. Then you go throughout the games. Once you go throughout the games, target go or over 2.5. Go or over 2.5. We are also of course we are already on over 2.5 already, so look for go and over and target this particular odds. Through this odd you will get over 2.5 goals. This is 1.32 or 1.28, or you can see 1.20, or you see 1.30 or 1.38. Target it for over 2.5, or you see 1.18. But if you see 1.18, for example, here you can see where I tick now. You can see it. You can see here go or over. Can you see it? Assuming this 1.18 is on go or over, and this 1.59 or any odd with 1.30 something to 1.50 something on 1 or 3 plus, and 1.18 is on go and or over. Definitely this people is going to play over 2.5. But this particular one you can see here, they are going to play over 2.5 goals. But the perfect odds for this is 1.38, 1.28, 1.18, 1.19 can give you over 2.5. This also applies to Zoom soccer. This is how you get your over 2.5 goals. But this particular one, you can go to over 1.5 without shaking. Definitely they must score over 1.5, which is 2 goals or more. So this is how you find over 2.5 on normal soccer. Anytime you want to book normal soccer, come to this option. This is the option, chance miss 2.5. Chance miss 2.5. You look for go or over. This is how you get to know people that is going to play over 2.5 or over 1.5. This is Correct Bet. In case you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my new video anytime I post. I will still go to double chance. Let's go to double chance to show you how double chance works. If you want to know how to play double chance, which is home win or draw or away win or draw or double chance 12, this is how it works. This is how it works. Anytime you see 8 on 12, you see any odd attached with 8 like 1.28, then look for the one with 7 attached to it. The one with 7 attached to it. If the one with 7 attached to it, there is no 6 attached to it too. For example, this is exactly what I mean. You see this one 1.77, you can see the red You can see the red on it now. For you to know the one I'm talking about, you see it 1.77. This is away, win or draw. Then you see this 6, assuming this 6 is not here, and you see 8 on the middle, which is 12, and you see 7. You are going to pick the 7, but since 6 is here, you have to pick the one with 6. You have to pick home, win or draw with 6, and leave the one with the double 7. You have to choose this one, 1.26. Assuming you see 5 here and you see 6 here, you can see 1.7. So assuming there is 6 here and you see 5 here, you have to choose the one with 5. So you have to follow it according to the small odd, but I have to follow it according to the small odd by the one that is following each other. Like after 6 you count 7, after 7 you count 8, that kind of things. Like after 5 you count 6, 7, 8, 9. So that kind of odd thing, that's how you do it on double chance win or draw, either home or away. You have to choose it through this way. Then another thing is, once you see something like this, 1.20, 1.89, you see any odd like 1 point, you see a 1.07 for home win or draw, and you see 2.89 for away win or draw. Choose home direct winning for home. You have to choose home direct winning. Home direct winning. That's how you have to choose this home direct winning. This home must win this particular match. That's how you get to know this. Home must win direct winning on this. Or you see 2.59 for away, then you play home direct winning. And if there's 18 here, this 18 here, there's no problem. But if there is 9 and there is also, if there is 1.19 and also 2.89, then you have to leave it. But if you see only 1.18, then choose home direct winning. Or if you see that 1.19 and 2.89, as you can see this way, then what you do is to play it over 1.5. That's how you do it. This also applies to Zoom Soccer. But Zoom Soccer, their option is a little bit different but the same. Just for you to understand it. Alright, this is Correct Bet. I'll be dropping more this week or during the weekend. So in case you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my new video. Alright, this is Correct Bet. Please subscribe. In case you need our teaching more on this, you can contact me on WhatsApp on 07036760527. WhatsApp number is 07036760527. This is Correct Bet. Alright, thank you for watching. Have a good night. Sleep well.